Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom meeting status to Do Not Disturb. This is incredibly useful when you need focused work time without being interrupted by meeting notifications or calls. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile avatar. This little circular image represents your account and is your gateway to all profile-related settings. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile avatar, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with various status options. Look for the option labeled Available. This is your current status setting that lets others know you're ready to receive calls and notifications. Navigate to this Available option. Now, here's where the magic happens. Hover your mouse over the Available option, and you'll notice additional status choices appear. Among these options, you'll find Do Not Disturb. This status is designed to silence all notifications and prevent incoming calls from disturbing you while you're working on important tasks or need uninterrupted focus time. Click on Do Not Disturb and Zoom will prompt you with another menu. This is where you can customize how long you want to remain in Do Not Disturb mode. The platform gives you several preset time options to choose from: 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. These options cover everything from quick focused work sessions to full work days. If none of these durations fit your needs, there's also a custom option that allows you to set a specific time frame that works perfectly for your schedule. Select the duration that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, Zoom will immediately update your status to Do Not Disturb for that specified period. Your contacts will now see that you're unavailable and you won't receive any disruptive notifications or calls during this time. This ensures you can concentrate fully on whatever task you need to complete without digital interruptions breaking your flow. And that's it. You've successfully set your Zoom status to Do Not Disturb and chosen the perfect duration for your focused work session. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.